students, last week we learned about solubility of solids in water. Today we are going to learn about mixing. M-I-X-I-N-G, mixing. Mixing in Tamil, it is known as kalakkum or kalavai. What is the definition of mixing? Mixing is combine or put together to form one substance. Mixing means combine. C-O-M-B-I-N-E. What are the three states of matter? Very good. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. What is the state of water? Water is a liquid. When we are mixing two liquids together, what will happen? That we are going to study today. In our daily life, we are mixing two liquids. Example, while preparing tea, your mother is mixing water to the milk. While preparing juice, your mother is mixing water to the juice. They are mixing together. But some of the two liquids, they will not mix together. Why they are not mixing means certain liquids are heavier. Heavier means dense than other liquids. When you attempt to mix liquids which have different densities, they separate when you stop mixing them. The heavier liquid deposits at the bottom and the lighter liquids float on the top. In Tamil it is known as ரெண்டு லிக்விட் எடுத்தோம்னா அது நம்ம மிக்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது எதுக்கு வெயிட் அதிகமா இருக்கோ அது என்ன செய்யும் கீழே தங்கும் எதோட வெயிட் கம்மியா இருக்குதோ அது வந்து மேல வந்து மிதக்கும் அதான் float. Now we are going to mix certain substances together and then we are going to find out whether they are mixing well or does not mixing well. Children, do you know substances with similar chemical properties will mix? Similar chemical properties will mix. Substances with different chemical properties will not mix. Chemical properties, they are differing means they will not mix together. Example, water and oil. Come on children, let's do some activity. Lemon. What is the color of lemon? Lemon is yellow in color. Lemon contains high amount of vitamin C. What are the uses of lemon? Lemons may aid weight loss and reduce your risk of heart disease. It helps us to recover anemia. It removes kidney stones. It helps in digestive disorder and lemon helps us to prevent from cancer. Come on children, let's find whether lemon juice mixes with water or does not mix with water. To do the activity, we need a beaker and a glass rod. Take water in a beaker. Lemon. Now we are going to add lemon juice into the beaker and find whether lemon juice mixes with water or does not mix with water. Now I am adding lemon juice in the beaker of water. See what happened children? Mix well with the help of the glass rod. Lemon mixed with water. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is the non-volatile oil pressed from the seeds of sunflower. Mainly, sunflower oil is commonly used in cooking. Come on students, let's find whether sunflower oil mixes with water or does not mix with water. Now I am going to add sunflower oil in the beaker of water. See what happens students. When we are adding sunflower oil, water is denser than sunflower oil, so sunflower oil is floating on the water. Coconut oil. Coconut oil protect our skin from UV rays, reduce skin irritation, improves brain function, stimulates hair growth. Come on students, let's find out whether coconut oil mixes with water or does not mix with water. Now I am going to add coconut oil in the beaker of water. See what happens, students. When we are adding coconut oil is lighter than water, so it is floating on the water. Mustard oil. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard oil. O-I-L. Mustard oil means kadugu enna. What are the uses of mustard oil? Mustard oil promotes heart health, helps blood circulation, good for skin, relief from cough and cold, promotes hair growth. Come on students, let's find out whether mustard oil mixes with water or does not mix with water. Now I am going to add mustard oil in the beaker of water. See what happens, students. When mustard oil is mixed with water, they mix together. They form two separate layers, the oil and water layer separately. The oil is hydrophobic in nature and they are insoluble in water. Vinegar. V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Vinegar. The word vinegar comes from the French words vin. V-I-N, vin, and agar, A-I-G-R-E, which translate to sour wine. Vinegar is a fermented liquid composed of acetic acid and water, made from almost any carbohydrate source that can undergo fermentation. The common sources are grapes and apples. Uses of vinegar. Vinegar is commonly used in food preparation, in particular pickling, liquids and other salad dressings. It is an ingredient in sauces. It is used to make ketchup. Vinegar is sometimes used in chutneys. What is fermentation? Fermentation means the chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast or other microorganism, typically involving effervescence and giving out heat. Nodithal. Come on students, let's find out whether vinegar mixes with water or does not mix with water. Now I am going to add vinegar in the beaker of water. Now I am adding vinegar. See what happens, students. Mix well with the help of glass rod. Vinegar mixed with water. M-I-L-K, milk. What is the color of milk, students? milk is in white color. Come on students, let's find out whether milk mix with water or does not mix with water. I am adding milk to the beaker of water. See what happens students. Milk mixed with water. Kerosene. Kerosene. Kerosene means what students? Mannennai. So kerosene is also known as paraffin. Paraffin. Paraffin or lamp oil. It is also known as coal oil. So petrol is a combustible hydrocarbon liquid which is derived from petroleum. So it is widely used as a fuel. Paraffin wax is a waxy solid extracted from petroleum. Come on students, let's find out whether kerosene mixes with water or does not mix with water. I am going to add kerosene in the beaker of water. See what happens students. Kerosene does not mix with water and it floats on the water. Can you able to see two layers children? The layer on the top is kerosene. Petrol. Petrol. Petrol is a naturally occurring hydrocarbon liquid found underground. Come on students, let's find out whether petrol mixes with water or does not mix with water. I am going to add petrol in the beaker of water. Petrol does not mix with water. Children, can you able to see two layers? The golden layer on the top is petrol. It is lighter than water, so it's float on water. Students, you don't handle kerosene and petrol. It will readily catch fire. Sanitizer. S-A-N-I-T-I-Z-E-R. Sanitizer means சுத்திகரிப்பு. Daily now we are using sanitizer to clean our hands. Come on students, let's find out whether sanitizer mixes with water or does not mix with water. Students, now I am adding sanitizer in the beaker of water. See what happens students. Sanitizer mixed with water. Come on students, let's draw the tablet column.
Lemon juice mixes well. Vinegar mixes well. Mustard oil does not mix. Coconut oil does not mix. Kerosene does not mix. Sunflower oil does not mix. Petrol does not mix. Milk mixes well. Sanitizer mixes well.
Students, in matter and materials lesson, we learn about states of matter, materials, fibers, grains, household goods, sinking and floating, solubility of solids in water and mixing. Come on students, let's do the evaluation.
First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question. Which of the following are the states of matter? Option B. Solid, liquid, gas. Second question. Which of the following is a solid? Answer apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Third question. Jute fiber is obtained from B. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Second Roman. Fill in the blanks. First question. Does soil is suitable for growing cotton? Answer. Black soil and alluvial soil. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. And. A-N-D. And. Alluvial. A-L-L-U-V-I-A-L. Alluvial. Soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Second question. The process of making cotton yarn from cotton fiber is dash. Answer. Ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. Third one. Ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds. Answer. Raw fibers. R-A-W. Raw fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. Fibers. Fourth question. Synthetic fiber is also called dash fiber. Answer. Artificial. A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-A-L. Artificial. Fifth one. Woolen clothes are manufactured from dash animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Third Roman. Match the following. First one. Yarn. Answer. Spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. Second one. Lint. Answer. Ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. Third. Fabrics. Answer. Weaving. W-E-A-V-I-N-G. Weaving. Fourth. Rayon. Answer. Wood pulp. W-O-O-D. Wood. Pulp. P-U-L-P. Pulp. Fifth. Jute. Answer. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Fourth Roman. Say true or false. First question. Coir is the outer covering of coconut. True. T-R-U-E. True. Second one. Beans and peas are pulses. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Third one. Table is a household good. Answer. True. T-R-U-E. True. Fourth one. Sweet corn is not a product of maize. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Fifth one, cotton balls contain jute fiber. False. 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 Complete the given analogy. First one, solid table dash water. Answer, liquid. Liquid. Second one, cotton seed dash lint spinning. Answer, ginning. 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 Coir fiber dash cotton fiber, cotton plant. So coir fiber is obtained from coconut fiber. Answer, COCONUT, coconut fiber. FIBRE, fiber. Fourth one, black pepper spice sweet corn dash cereal. Answer, CEREAL, cereal. Sixth Roman. Answer briefly. First question, what is known as ginning? Answer, ginning is a process of separating the raw fibers from the seed. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seeds is called lint. The lint is then tied and pressed into balls. Second question, give 2 examples for food products made from wheat. Answer, wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ and cracked wheat. Third question, what are synthetic fibers? Answer, the fibers made by human beings with the help of chemical process are called synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Fourth question, what is known as upthrust? When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. This force is called the upthrust or buoyancy force. Fifth question, name the list of whole grains: wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. Seventh Roman. Answer in detail. First question, discuss briefly about 3 states of matter. Answer, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in 3 states. They are solid, liquid and gas. Solid. In solids, molecules are very closely packed. Solids are incompressible. They have definite shape, size and volume. Example, table, book, metals. Liquid. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed, hence liquids are negligibly compressible. They have definite volume but no definite shape and size. Example, water, milk, petrol. Gas. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gases are easily and highly compressible. They do not have definite volume and shape. Example: air, LPG, oxygen. Draw a flow chart to indicate the process of making fabrics from cotton ball. This is second detail. Answer: cotton balls is converted to cotton fiber by the method known as ginning. Cotton fiber is converted to lint. Lint is converted to yarn by the method known as spinning. Yarn is converted to fabric by two methods. One is weaving, another one is knitting. 8th Roman, give reason why umbrellas are made up of synthetic clothes. Answer: umbrellas are made up of synthetic clothes because synthetic fibers are more hydrophobic. That is, they do not absorb water like the natural fibers. Second question: what determines whether an object floats or sinks in a fluid? Answer: whether an object floats or sinks is determined by its density. When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. If the density is more, upthrust is less, so it sinks. But if the density is less, upthrust is more and the object will float.
Thank you, students.